The quantum observer effect, a fascinating concept in quantum physics, reveals that our observations and the very act of paying attention have the power to shape reality. But does this principle extend beyond the subatomic realm and apply to our everyday lives? Join me in this exploration as we delve into the idea that our thoughts, emotions, and state of mind can indeed influence and even transform our world. In the quantum realm, particles exist in a cloud of potentiality until observed. The moment we pay attention, they solidify into a definite state. This observer effect seems almost magical, but it's a scientific fact. Renowned scientists like John Wheeler, David Bohm, and Bernard Heisch have pondered this phenomenon, recognizing its profound implications. It compels us to rethink the nature of reality, suggesting that our minds play an active role in creating the world we experience. But how does this apply to our everyday lives? Is the observer effect limited to the mysterious world of subatomic particles, or does it hold true for us as well? To answer this question, let's look to Joe Dispenza, a leading voice in bridging the gap between quantum physics and human potential. Dispenza proposes that our thoughts, far from being passive mental occurrences, are potent forms of intention. Each thought transmits an energetic blueprint into the quantum field of possibility, influencing what eventually manifests in our lives. Our thoughts are not static entities, but dynamic forces that shape our reality. And it's not just our thoughts, but our emotions and state of mind that contribute to this. Our feelings, whether they're subtle hunches or strong convictions, send out their own energetic signals. These signals, along with those from our thoughts, weave a tapestry that guides what we attract and experience. Our bodies, too, are part of this intricate dance. They respond to the signals sent out by our minds and emotions. So our overall state, which includes our thoughts, feelings, and physical sensations, plays a crucial role in manifesting our reality. So now the question arises, if we have this power to shape our reality, why do some people seem stuck in negativity or struggle while others thrive and succeed? The answer lies in the clarity and consistency of our focus. Are our thoughts, emotions, and actions aligned with the reality we want to create? Or are they scattered and mismatched? When there's coherence among these elements, when our thoughts are clear and focused, our emotions are engaged, and our bodies are receptive, we open ourselves to the flow of creation. At this point, the observer effect becomes a conscious tool in our hands. We're not merely passive observers of reality, we become active participants in shaping it. This state of mind is not a distant dream, but something that can be cultivated through practice and intention. It's a state that many have achieved, transforming their lives by harnessing the power of the quantum observer effect. Consider the countless individuals who have overcome challenging circumstances and achieved their dreams by adopting this mindset. Their stories serve as powerful reminders that we have the power to change our lives. Now, you might wonder, how can we truly know what someone else is thinking or feeling? Can we measure these states objectively? The answer is yes. Science provides us with tools to measure brain activity, heart rate, and other physiological responses that offer insights into a person's mental and emotional state. For instance, functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI, can reveal which areas of the brain are most active during specific tasks or states. Similarly, electroencephalogram, EEG, can measure electrical activity in the brain, providing insights into brain states like focus or relaxation. Tools like these allow us to study the observer effect in action, observing how thoughts, emotions, and states influence our experiences. As we continue to explore the quantum observer effect, we encounter a fascinating concept, the observer's lag. This refers to the delay between our observation of reality and the actual change in the quantum realm. Essentially, our observations don't instantly cause changes at the subatomic level, but occur with a slight delay. This lag allows for a dynamic interplay between our observations and the evolution of quantum particles, adding another layer of complexity to the observer effect. Understanding this lag helps us appreciate the intricate dance between our perceptions and the quantum realm, reminding us that the relationship between observer and observed is not always immediate but unfolds over time. The science behind the observer effect is rooted in quantum physics. One of the fundamental principles of quantum physics is that particles exist in a state of potentiality, often described as a wave function, until they are observed. Observation, in this context, means any form of interaction that brings the particle into our field of awareness. Upon observation, this wave function collapses, and the particle seemingly decides on a definite state or location. This collapse is triggered by the act of paying attention, which introduces the observer into the equation. As the observer, our attention effectively plays a role in bringing about this change in the particle's state. It's important to recognize that this is not just a peculiarity of quantum mechanics, but a foundational principle. It challenges the classical view of reality and highlights the profound connection between the observer and the observed. By understanding the observer effect, we gain a deeper appreciation for the role our attention and consciousness play in shaping our reality. Let's embark on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Take charge of your thoughts, emotions, and state of mind, because they are the architects of your reality. You have the ability to shape your life's outcomes by cultivating a focused, intentional state of mind. Start by observing your current state of mind. Pay attention to your thoughts, emotions, and overall energy. Are they scattered, anxious, or negative? Or are they focused, calm, and positive? Once you have a clear understanding of your starting point, you can begin to cultivate the ideal state of mind. This may involve practices like mindfulness, meditation, deep breathing exercises, or engaging in activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Nurture your mind and emotions by feeding them with positivity. Surround yourself with uplifting music, books, or people who inspire you. Engage in activities that make you laugh and bring you happiness. These experiences will help shift your emotional energy towards a more positive state. It's essential to recognize and acknowledge any negative thoughts or emotions that arise. Rather than trying to push them away, observe them without judgment and allow them to pass like clouds in the sky. Remember, it's not about eliminating negativity, but about shifting the balance towards positivity. As you continue to nurture your mind and emotions, you'll start to notice a change in your overall state of mind. You might find yourself feeling more focused, calm, and at ease. This new state of mind will become a foundation for creating your desired reality. To maintain this state of mind, make it a daily practice. Dedicate time each day to engage in activities that promote relaxation, positivity, and emotional balance. Consistency is key, and over time you will find that your new state of mind becomes a natural and comfortable place for you to be. It's important to note that cultivating a state of mind is a personal journey. What works for one person may not work as effectively for another. Experiment with different techniques and find what resonates with you and brings about the most positive change in your state of mind. Embrace the process and be patient with yourself. As you continue to cultivate a state of mind, you'll begin to notice shifts in your thoughts, emotions, and overall energy. Your mind will become a powerful ally in creating your desired reality. Ready to dive deeper into related topics that expand your understanding of the quantum observer effect and its implications for personal growth? Explore our carefully curated selection of videos that delve into fascinating aspects of quantum physics, reality creation, and the observer's role in shaping the world. Click on the suggested videos and join me in this enlightening journey. Together, we'll uncover the mysteries of the quantum realm and its profound impact on our lives. Let's continue exploring these mind-blowing concepts and unravel the infinite potential that lies within us all.